Shanti Niketan, the home of late Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, has been added to the UNESCO World Heritage Site list, the world body announced on Sunday. The Indian Express had reported in February that Visva Bharati University was set to become the first living university which is functioning to get the heritage tag from UNESCO. The Trinamool Congress hailed the town as a testament to the profound cultural and intellectual contributions of Tagore. The name of the beautiful and culturally rich town literally means the adobe of peace. Named after a local dacoit Bhuban, it was earlier called Bhuban Danga. Bordering Bolpur city in the Briham district of West Bengal, it was established by Maharshi Debendranath Tagore, father of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Later, Rabindranath Tagore envisioned it as a university town and established a school. It was called Brahmacharya Ashram and was later expanded into the Visva Bharati University. The recommendation to add the site to the UNESCO World Heritage List was announced by the Union Minister G. Krishnan Reddy in May. It said in a tweet, "Great news for India on the Jayanti of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Shanti Niketan in West Bengal has been recommended for the inscription to the World Heritage List by ICOMOS, the advisory body to UNESCO World Heritage Center."
इस स्ट्रक्चर को, इस मॉन्यूमेंट को यूनेस्को ने वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के नाते आज प्रिंसिपल अप्रूवल किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी उनका जन्मतिथि पर यूनेस्को ने भारत को और एक गिफ्ट दिया है। ये 41 वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भारत में रिकॉग्निशन हुआ है। हम कल्चर मिनिस्ट्री की ओर से आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देते हैं, उनका जो प्रयास किया है इसके लिए। उसके साथ साथ यूनेस्को को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। सारी देश का जनता को, जो रविन्द्रनाथ ठाकुर जी का जो शांति निकेतन का यूनिवर्सिटी का स्ट्रक्चर है, उसको फिर एक बात देश के सामने लाने का मौका मिला है। उसको यूनाइटेड वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के नाते आज रिकॉग्निशन मिला है प्रिंसिपल, और वो लोग आए, यूनेस्को ऑफिसर्स आके देख चुके हैं और परसों जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग में अप्रूवल भी हो गए। बहुत खुशी की बात है। मैं भारत सरकार की ओर से मैं हर्ष व्यक्त करता हूं।
International Council of Monuments and Site, ICOMOS, is a France-based international body dedicated to the conservation and enhancement of global architectural and heritage. West Bengal also has another gem in UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity, the Durga Puja in Kolkata.
I will invite all of you, if you can spare some time, you must visit West Bengal also sometimes. And this Durga Puja have become the world intangible heritage. UNESCO is already declared. And also this year, the UNESCO declared Bengal is the West Bengal destination for tourism. And today also declared a great son of this soil, Rabindranath Tagore, his house will be World Heritage. So whatever we think, our cultural domain is very powerful.
Well, what do you think about the news? Do let us know in the comment section below. But before that, if you like the information, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.